Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this earring. This is beautiful and super lightweight. You won't even feel that you have worn something in your ears. So, material we will need for this are this purple thread, this peacock green thread, this silver zari thread, these small beads, this bigger wide bead, jump ring silver color, earpin hook silver color, head pin silver color, and this earpin hoops silver, fabric glue, and tools we will need are plier, scissor, cutter, and round nose plier. So let's start. So first of all, take this earring hook and straighten up its end like this to insert smaller beads. Now we will need 28 beads. So don't take out any bead from this thread. Let it be in this thread only and insert this ring in it. After inserting 28 beads, pull this thread out. Now with the help of this round nose plier, make a loop in it. Now apply some glue in between to fix these beads. Maintain same distance from this loop on both the sides. Now apply some more glue on this remaining part. And start wrapping our thread. This glue will fix our thread. Now take this thread to the second bead from the center and now take 2 rounds of this, then to the second bead and here also 2 rounds. Now to the third bead, and here also 2 rounds. Similarly, cover whole earring. After covering this, it will look like this. Now apply some glue here on its end. And wrap this thread. And make some knots. And cut this thread. Now make this dangling part, and for this take a head pin, a smaller bead and a bigger bead, and insert it in this way. Now it's too long for making a loop, so cut the excess part. Now with the help of this round nose plier, make a loop. Now to make this tassel, take this peacock green color thread and wrap it around your 3 fingers and take it around 70 rounds. After taking it 70 rounds, take it out from your finger and make a knot. Like this. Now cut this thread and cut these threads from here also. Now to make this smaller tassel, take this purple thread and wrap it around your 4 fingers and take it around 50 rounds. After taking its 50 round, take it out from your fingers and from center fold it and tie a knot. Now take this and from here divide it into 2 parts and place it between this. Now take a jump ring and insert it from this peacock green thread. Close it. Now spread these threads like this so that it cover whole green color threads and tie it. Now cut these threads from here. Now level all the threads. Take this zari thread and start wrapping around this like this. Now make some knots. Now cut the excess thread. Apply some fabric glue so that end of this thread get fixed properly. Now assemble all the parts. And for this, take a jump ring, insert this bead and insert both the side loops in it. Now insert this earring hook in this jump ring and close it properly. Now take this tassel, open its jump ring and fix it in the center and close it properly.
And our trendy and super lightweight earrings are ready. So if you like this video, please press the like button and comment in the comment box whether you like it or not, or any suggestions you have, and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.